Hello y'all, this is Greg Flores. Happy Monday, founder of Soul Solutions. The weekend is over and I got to do some mountain biking yesterday. Y'all might have seen my videos. But nonetheless, I've been stuck at the desk all day or all this morning, and I've had about all of the paperwork I can handle for a day. And now I am heading out to Weatherford to see one of the Don Young Window Company's old customers who called me on my cell phone and asked me if I would come out and visit with him, and I'd be happy to do that. I know we've been promoting ourselves on social media quite a bit, and y'all may be wondering, do I go to Sherman or Denison or out to Weatherford? And heck yeah, we do. So if you're in the market for windows, patio doors, or guttering, and you live in those surrounding areas, please give us a call. We'd love to help you. Greg Flores, Soul Solutions.
Greg Flores, the gosh darn it guy with Soul Solutions.